Hello everyone, welcome to Association of Nurse Executives India, and I am President Thankam Gomez, and I am very happy to be spending few minutes talking about how nurses can impact the public. So I'm sure that all of us are very familiar of the three pillars the WHO has advised the public to contain the transmission of COVID-19. That is, number one is hand hygiene, number two is masking, and number three is social distancing. So I'm going to share with my experience that I have had with the public. So let me tell you, when the courier boys come home, whether they are vegetables or groceries or couriers, I usually tell them on the phone that, are you wearing mask? And they'll say, yes ma'am. So when I open the door, this is what I see. So let me just show to you. So this is the best way to wear the mask, is to, cover your nose and your chin well, so that, you are fully covered and your breath is not coming out and the other breath cannot come inside. When both parties are wearing the mask, that's the time WHO had told that, your transmission potential is reduced to near zero. So, but when I open the door, what do I find? This is what I find. They are wearing the mask, but it is below their nose. So almost all the time I have to tell them, if I am the one opening the door, I'll say, Bhaiya, please apna mask upar kijiye, put your mask up. Then they will put their mask up, and unfortunately when they do that, they have to touch their face, and it's not very safe. So I tell them, if you wear the mask, make sure that you are wearing the mask properly and you are able to change if you feel that your mask is getting wet or something, because most of the time they are wearing cloth mask, right? So I tell them that. So I use that opportunity to educate them, and I tell them very clearly, I am not asking you to do that to protect me. It is also to protect you and your family members, so that you stay safe. And I never had a single opportunity where they even refused to do so. They have actually listened to me. Now let me share with my experience of going to bank yesterday. So I went to bank yesterday, and I had to wait for almost 30 minutes. They had a hand rub dispenser, very good. I did not touch the doorknob. I used my elbow to open, and then inside I had red lines to stand. So I was standing in my square waiting for me to be called. So I had nothing to do. I was just looking around, and I see this one boy who's a coordinator, who is wearing mask properly, and he's got gloves also. In that 30 minutes, I must have observed him touching his face at least 15 times, So I had this understanding from their behavior that when they wear gloves, they have a feeling that, now we are totally safe. Because in normal life, nobody is wearing gloves, and suddenly they are wearing gloves and they think that they are totally safe. Sometimes we nurses also used to think like that if I am wearing gloves, I am safe. No, your gloved hand is as bad as the hand. And if you touch the gloved hand somewhere, it gets contaminated, and if you touch somewhere else, it will transfer the organism. So what did I do? Once I finished my discussion with the officer, so I took a minute, I took her permission, and I explained to her that your person who is going from one place to the other, going to all the tables, passing the papers, going to the customers who are waiting, he is actually not being very careful, because he is wearing gloved hand and he has been touching his face and risking his own health. And then he can become the person who is going to transfer the organism to other officers there. So I think maybe you should educate, and you should tell everybody else also, wearing mask is not a complete protection, and wearing gloves is not a complete protection. The guideline of not touching the face, whether it is with mask or without mask, must be emphasized. And also the gloved hand should be considered as a dirty hand the moment it has touched a surface which could be contaminated. So the same principle. So I took that opportunity to educate them. So my request to all our nurses and other caregivers is that, I mean healthcare workers, is that when we are in the public, let's take the opportunity to educate the public. Let's not shy away from that, because we are as safe as the other person. This is what is very important. So me, when I pray every day, I pray for, of course I pray for my family, my extended family. So I am praying, then I say, no, this is not good enough. I then pray for my community, then I say, oh, that's not good enough. So actually the prayer goes up and up and up. My final vision is actually seeing the earth, and I was telling God, the earth is suffering. Now you need to take care of the earth. I think that's how connected we are, because if one person is not careful, then you are risking the infection and maybe certain lives, because that there are people who are at risk for higher mortality. So we must take the opportunity to educate wherever we are. We don't need to go out and give lecture or anything like that, but I am sure lakhs of us, we are there and we are in the community. But wherever we are, when we come across someone, just educate them on hand hygiene, especially the mask and the gloves. I think this is where the maximum flaunting is happening, and because people are just being very casual, because they think this is kind of a one-time solution for corona. No, the corona will get through that if we are not having the proper proper carefulness around not touching your face, ensuring that your hands are anywhere dirty the moment you touch somewhere, just whether it is gloved or not. So after the gloves are removed, you need to wash your hands and make sure, or you use hand sanitizer. So that's a little bit of my request to all of you. So very happy to see all of you here on this platform of Association of Nurse Executives India. So this is Thankam Gomez, President of the association, signing off by stay safe and look after each other. We are as safe as each other. So let's keep that in mind and take care and stay blessed.